Hello and welcome to pH Physics. Today's explainer is the states of matter: solid, liquid, gas. By the end of this, you'll know the particle arrangements and the changes between them. There are three main states of matter: solid, particles in a regular lattice vibrating in fixed positions, a fixed shape and volume; liquid, particles close but free to move past each other, fixed volume, takes the shape of its container; and gas, particles far apart, moving fast in random directions with no fixed shape or volume. Three things. 1. Heating provides energy to overcome bonds and change state. 2. Solids melt to liquids, liquids boil to gases. In reverse, gases condense, liquids freeze. 3. During a phase change, temperature stays constant. That's where latent heat fits in. Common slip: calling water vapor steam interchangeably. Strictly, steam is invisible water vapor above 100 degrees centigrade. The visible mist from a kettle is partially condensed droplets. Quick example: water, ice as a solid below 0 degrees centigrade, liquid 0 to 100 degrees Celsius, water vapor or steam above 100 degrees Celsius. Same molecules, different arrangements and energies, different states. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE Higher Revision Planner ready to download, plus mastery workbooks across maths, physics, chemistry and biology. One for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.